Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about this primer and it's from Dr. Brandt. It's called Pores No More and that's how the tube looks like. Guys, I got it as a sample in my Ipsy bag and I really loved it. I used the whole sample, then I went ahead and bought this primer, and now I have been using it for more than a year now and I really love it, and that was the reason I thought of coming on YouTube and sharing my thoughts about this product here. And I know it's not much hyped on YouTube, I don't know why, but this is an amazing primer. So you get 1 ounce of product or 30 milliliters for $45. Yes, I know it's quite pricey out there, but it's amazing. Like if you see the ingredient list, it has dimethicone in it. So there are like various variants of dimethicone in here, and there is a tint too. So basically it's a tinted primer and it resembles a lot to Benefit Professional. So that's that. And the thing I love about this primer is it comes with a pump. So there are like very few chances or very less chances of getting this thing contaminated. So that's how the pump looks like. So guys, that's how this product looks like, and you can see it's a tinted thing, and if you blend it, you can see if you pat it like so in your skin, it gets pressed inside and it works better that way. But if you rub it, you can see little crumbles. So that's something to keep in mind whenever you are applying this. Apply it in a patting motion. So that's something to keep in mind whenever you want to apply this. Apply it in a patting motion and use it on targeted areas. Like use it wherever you have pores. And I don't like to use it all over my face because then it gives little funky look. And you can use it with or without makeup. So if you are going without makeup, you can use it in the areas where you have visible pores and it'll make everything smoother. And if you decide to wear makeup on top of it, yes, you can go ahead and do that. So on the tube it says that it minimizes the look of pores. Yes, it does that. It absorbs oil. Yeah, I have felt that whenever I use this primer, my skin gets very like less oily. So by the end of the day, my makeup is oil free. And it mattifies shine. So they also claim that you can use this thing over the makeup. I haven't tried that and I won't try that either, because whenever I use this primer, I think my makeup has like no need to touch up and my skin is like really oily. So I really love it. I have been using this for a long time now. I thought of sharing my views with you guys. So those were all my views. I hope it would help you to make a decision, and that was all for this video guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.